Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. So today I would like to present my research project, a ThingSpeak IoT on real-time room condition monitoring system. My name is Nur Akmal, and here is the name of the project members: Muhammad Amirul Ashraf, Muriza Kasim, me, myself, and Surya Saidin. We are from UITM, Faculty of Electrical Engineering. So the outline of our presentation today, my presentation today is introduction, objective, method, results, and conclusion. So first we look what is this project all about. So this paper presents the development of a ThingSpeak IoT on real-time room condition monitoring system with a temperature and humidity sensor measured for the room condition. An evaluation of the current model, hardware, and software are important before a new architecture is developed. The design system assisted with an internet monitoring system for the room. This study has been considered successfully implemented, and it is a significant study that performs on new IoT platforms and adaptively ready to monitor a room remotely. So what is the problem? Many conditions like temperature and humidity monitoring system have been designed previously, but some lag systems are identified. Previous systems do not provide adaptively connections and alert to web page. Previous systems do not provide adaptively connection and get alerts to web page on logging data collection. Thus, this cloud-based system is important for logging data, and the new technologies of web-based data analytic platform is introduced. Number 3, understanding the previous system model is important to compare the importance of new building parameters in designing the new system. This involves using of current model, hardware, and software are important before a new architecture is developed. Then we look for the this project objective. So in this project, the objective is first is to develop and design an adaptive prototype of monitor temperature system by using Arduino controller, which alerts to web page and mobile application to analyze existing temperature, especially on conditional room, which are air conditioned and normal room. The third one, to analyze the prototype system by collecting some sample data on temperature and humidity and present on the ThingSpeak webpage and mobile application. The login data will be presented adaptively as a graph as sensor collected the temperature data. So we are using these methods. First we look for the flowchart. So the system will start in the ready mode, and it will detect the temperature. If the temperature detected, which is yes, so it goes to the controller, do the process. Then LCD will display the temperature reading. Web page will be display data, and also it will display in the smartphone application, and it will continue to detect the temperature. The process goes every 2 minutes. If not, it will go to shutdown or system off. Here is the block diagram, the overall system structure, the structure of temperature and humidity data collection, the structure of temperature data and humidity receiving based on this controller. So here is the hardware design. So we call it as the system design structure model. So we have the controller and also the software. So the sensor that will be used here is temperature and humidity sensors, the communication medium, and also the Wi-Fi. used to communicate the medium between the smartphone and the controller. So the database used for analysis is ThingSpeak Cloud Database and Analytics. So we pass through the value through the database, which is ThingSpeak. Okay, so here about the system input and output. The hardware development covers the connection of temperature and humidity sensors. The software involves constructed coding using the C language program. The program then is compiled and uploaded into the Arduino Mega 2560 to display the temperature of the room. An open source Internet of Things called ThingSpeak is used as a platform to retrieve and display the collected data. Real-time monitoring can be accessed through smartphones and also web applications. Now we go to the results and finding. So here is the collected data, prototype mobile apps. So here is the design, the system, a display. Okay, the temperature and also the humidity are displayed on the hardware. And here the collected data, the temperature data collection from a smartphone application. And here is the value for humidity based on this date. So it will collect temperature and also humidity. Okay, then so we do the data analysis on the temperature and humidity in weekly. So we can see the graph here for temperature, here for the humidity. Okay, so we can check like temperature is 33 on the dates of Tuesday, December, and here 55 on the Tuesday, December. And this data collected, we can extract the data from the ThingSpeak. Here is the data analysis on temperature and humidity in time for air-conditioned room. We test in the air-conditioned room environment. So we collect the data, temperature versus time, okay, and also humidity versus time. Here for the normal room, another condition we compare is in the normal room. So in normal room, the graph will be look like this, the temperature versus time and also the humidity versus time. So it might be goes up and down because normal room doesn't have the control value of temperature like compared to a conditioned room. So as the conclusions, this project may give advantage to us, increase the awareness among users and admins. It also for the time-consuming, fast and real-time results, systematic management system, can be monitored virtually, can track the locations. So when we create the system, when we design this IoT system, it gives more benefits to others. Okay, therefore a successful development of a ThingSpeak IoT on real-time room condition monitoring system has successfully been developed. The system and analysis findings show an alternative to ease the monitoring process of a room. The temperature and humidity sensors used in the system can detect the temperature, also the humidity, and then send the information through the website of ThingSpeak platform and a smartphone application. The use of smartphone application are the additional features of the available system in the market, which give advantage to this project. The remote access feature in the system made it convenient to the user, especially to the room admin, as they can monitor the room anywhere if they are connected to the internet, because this is IoT project. And by then, thank you very much.